In this video, you are going to get one little known penny stock that is almost guaranteed to go up within the next 3 trading days. My name is Coach Cota. I've helped traders win almost every single trade that I posted on this channel, and I created this channel to help you stop losing money on bad stocks like muln, GTII, and DWAC. Let's get right into it, team. My first stock is SDIG. This is Stronghold Digital. Stronghold Digital is a stock that me and my pro traders were investing in at approximately $5. At $5, SDIG is now up almost 25%, which would allow you to make $2,500 in profit on a $10,000 investment. However, the stock can go up even more, and that's why I'm covering it in this video today. SDIG, currently at a price of $7.08, is extremely strong as it's gone up again from that $4 all the way to $7.63. I'm expecting the SDIG stock to top off around $8. So it's a good idea to sell your SDIG position, especially if you got in earlier before the $8 level is hit. If you don't sell at $8, then you should sell at around $8.35. Why? Because I see a lot of hedge funds getting ready to sell this stock. In fact, I'm an expert at analyzing hedge funds and predicting their next move. If you've ever wondered how the stock market moves, it moves not based on traders like you and me who are investing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 into the market, but through hedge funds. Hedge funds control the market, and so if you can predict hedge funds, then you can predict where stocks are headed next. SDIG stock is stock number 1, and this stock is expected to go to about $7.49, possibly $8.35. Stock number 2 is a stock called GREE. Now this is a stock which I don't recommend buying at these levels, but possibly shorting. GREE, Green Ridge Generation Holdings, is a stock that me and my pro members purchased at approximately $3. We did get a short squeeze on this stock. We're up almost 100% on the stock as the stock went from $3.15, which is our buy-in point, all the way to a high of $5.61. These are all short squeezes that I called this week. If you'd like access to my trades, then make sure to click the link in the description so you can schedule a call with me and I can help you start rebuilding your portfolio. If you don't want to pay anything up front, then you have 3 options. 1, you can get a free trial, schedule a call with me, and start earning with my pro group. 2, you can join my free Discord. You can join the free Discord using the link in the description. 3, you can join my free Telegram and actually get my trades. So you can join my community, you can get my free trades, or you can try the real deal, which is my pro trading group, which is where I bought GREE and SDIG for a combined 100% profits. What's it like trading in the pro group? Well, let me show you a trade that we took today.
BNED is holding the $2 level. So go ahead and take an entry there, a small entry. Okay, still the first 10 minutes of the trading day, which means we're going to get a lot of volatility, but BNED is up so far. Okay, BNED. All right, BNED entry from $2 to as high as $2.07. All right. And we'll see where the stock goes from there. BNED just hit profit target 1. It's now at $2.14. Let me erase this off the screen because it's going to make the YouTube video look weird. So $2.14. BNED is up almost 10% from the past 2 minutes. Callouts are really printing today.
Hey Coach, a quick thank you for 5 great days of all green. The callouts have been fantastic. We've been making money. I cannot believe AMD, BA, Coin, 3 huge bangers. Really made some money on those. Great callouts. Thank you so much.
Guys, the next stock that we're looking at today is a stock called LLAP. This is stock number 3, and this is the penny stock, which I believe has almost a 100% chance of coming up if we're able to get a good purchase price for it. LLAP, if we can buy the stock around $1.45 to $1.55, has an 80% likelihood of coming up to $1.66. Now, where else can LLAP go? Because $1.50 to $1.66 is a great win, but can the stock go up even higher? Yes, the answer is yes. LLAP, if it holds $1.50, meaning that hedge funds value the stock at more than $1.50, LLAP can squeeze even higher to $1.76, okay? There's a 25% chance of that happening, so the probability is much lower that the stock will go to 176 as opposed to $1.66, but LLAP can come up to 176, and potentially, if LLAP really starts to squeeze here, it can go to $1.92. Again, almost every trade that I posted on this channel has been a winner. Last time I posted on the Telegram the HA trade at $10.20, and the stock now is at $11.88. Imagine that for a second, that almost every single trade that I've called out on this channel has been a winning trade that has helped traders make money. You can see the profit statements right here. Again, if you want to make money with me, click the link below and I will actually jump on a call with you. We'll do a one-on-one phone call where I'll help you figure out how to get your money back on your stock losses. Maybe you traded DWAC. Maybe you traded Mullen. Maybe you traded AMC. Maybe you traded GTII. Maybe you traded TRKA or Hub C. Any of these stocks that so many traders buy because they hear them on YouTube channels and they hear that they're going to go up no matter what, but they don't know where to buy them and where to sell them. And in fact, these are actually horrible stocks designed to lose you money. And all of these traders who are telling you to buy these stocks are actually paid large sums of money in order to tell you to buy these stocks. That's why I created my channel. I created this channel to help you recover your losses on those stocks, to help you make real money in the stock market. That's why my traders are actually profitable and most other trading groups are not profitable. If you want to start earning money in the stock market, then give me a call. Click the link below, fill out the form. I will call you and we will build you a trading plan for recovering your losses in the stock market. Guys, it's Coach Cota. I've been day trading for 11 years and I specialize in predicting hedge fund activity, which allows me to predict the stock market before anything actually happens. Congratulations to our new pro member, Patrice, for making money in the pro group. Congratulations to Roddy for making money in the pro group. And congratulations to Jerry, who just joined the pro group yesterday, for making his first $200 in the pro group. If you want to join the pro group and learn how to be a profitable trader, if you want to stop losing money in the stock market and start learning what it takes to predict stock movement, then click the link below, jump on a call with me, and let's make some money together.